In this video, I'm going to pull out cards for every zodiac sign for the mid-month message. Hi, my name is Nidisha, also known as the Tarot Girl. If this video helps you and if you feel you want to get more guidance about your life from universe, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and also share it with people who are in need right now. Something that will apply for the next 15 days of the month that are left and everything that universe wants to tell you to do in this 15 days. So take this message very seriously. To begin with the first zodiac sign, that's Aries, let's see what's the mid-month message for you. What is it that you need to pay attention and make sure you make it happen in the next 15 days? What universe wants you to let you know. Okay, and also I'll be seeing the universe message. Now, what I see is that universe... Now, look at these cards first. Now, this universe card says, this is the universe oracle deck that says purity, and the other message that says detachment from something. So basically, for the next 15 days, this message applies to your life. Universe is saying that somewhere there's some detachment that is required. You have to leave something, somebody, some situation, some scenario of your life, even if you don't want to, even if you don't like it. Like, as you see, purity. When you let go of things that are impure, that are not for your betterment, that are not for your good, you actually end up attracting purity in your life. Like, if you must have heard, when something bad goes, or when somebody bad goes from your life, that's when you actually attract the good. So universe is saying that you have the purity in your heart. You trust yourself and not anybody else right now. Trust your purity. All the answers that you're seeking for is inside you only. You will find the answers for the questions that are running in your head, inside you, in your heart. And for that, you have to let go of those people and things that right now don't serve you any good. So let purified and only worth it people and things stay in your life right now. And currently, just focus on your growth, your professional growth. That's the mid-month message. Now let's see for Taurus, what is the mid-month message? What universe wants you to pay attention on along with this special universe card. Wow, okay. Now, this message applies to, first, I'm going to say like two parts of this message. For very few of you also, this message applies and also universally for everybody as well. So both part of it. Now, for Taurus, I see this is the card of manifestation that has come up. Certain intentions that you've put up into universe in that cosmic power is now coming true. Universe is actually working in your favor. Some intentions or some good intentions that you've put up, that as to your heart desire. A lot of times we say things from our heart like, hey, universe or God, please make this happen. Please don't let this happen to me. Please, don't let this happen with my loved ones. And that prayers are actually being heard. Some prayer that you've been doing in the past few days will now come true in this second half of July for the next 15 days. And universe is also saying for a very few of you, now this is the card of pregnancy also that has come up. So some of you who've been trying for baby, kid, there's some good news around that. Or if somebody who is already pregnant, this is the time for actually that delivery day to come up, is what this message is for very few of you. And for the other people, whatever you're asking from your heart is literally being heard. So everything that you're saying from your heart, be very careful. Universe is hearing that and making that true for you in the next 15 days that are left. Now let's see for Gemini, what's the message? For Gemini, the next 15 days that are left of this month is going to bring some new money and abundance. You will see that if you've not been able to get some hike for a while, or some sort of money has been stuck up, or you've been trying some new business, or anything new that you want to start will come your way. And there'll be, maybe a big money, maybe a small money, but some sort of abundance. This is the card of abundance that has come up. Some sort of new abundance will come your way. Somebody will also help you get through this opportunity if you cannot do it alone. And trust people around you. They are good with you right now. Nobody's trying to be bad to you. So don't doubt anybody right now. Also, for the mid month, universe is trying to say that you have a lot of protection, shielding energy around you. There is a lot of psychic ability that you have, and you're surrounded by the ring of love and light. If you look at the picture, like it's all happy, all good energy, fairy tale energy. So somewhere right now, like as I mentioned in this card also, like there is some protection energy around you. Somebody is shielding you. Somebody, in the sense, universe is shielding you, and nothing can go wrong with you right now. So even if you want to take like the biggest of the risk in your life currently in this 15 days, this is the time to make it happen. Big money, big risk, big chance, any risky decision is to be taken right now. You will see a betterment coming your way in that. Let's see what's the message now for Cancer. What is universe trying to give as a sign of urgent message or as a sign of mid-month message for Cancerians? Come on, Cancerians. Get away from your past. Put an end to things that went wrong. You are not just wanting to get out of it. You are just wanting to complain and cry and repeat the same old story to everybody who meets you. And that's not good. People around you are getting very negative vibes from you. They are not liking you. They are not liking the way you're behaving. Your aura is coming out very negative. You need to accept now. Accept things that you're not able to accept now. Otherwise, you will just end up, even not making the best of good things around you. So you're purposely like falling down the pit is what you're doing right now. You don't want, it's like a choice that you've made. You don't want to get out of things. The same, it's like moderation. If you see the word, like the universe is, this is the universe message. Universe is saying moderation is what you need in your life right now. Moderation of everything. You're not even paying attention to your eating habits, to your sleeping habits, to what you're doing, to your routine. Stop doing that. You're just ending up leading nowhere. This is not going to help you. Okay, the wrong has happened. It's happened. Now stand up. Don't find excuses. Don't be lazy and don't give reasons now. If you actually want to move ahead in life, that's the next 15 days message for you. Now let's see what's the message for Leo. What's happening with you, Leo? What is the next 15 days looking like for you? The next 15 days, you're literally going to be walking on the edge. What I mean by that is, now the message for you is, you're like, I can do A, I can do B, I can do C, everything together. I have so much of power. I am multitasker. I know how to multitask. Not really. Yeah, you're good at multitasking, but if you end up doing 5 things or 4 things together, just imagine, are you even going to do either of it completely? You might end up making mistakes somewhere, and that will again this, you'll come back to square one. So right now, don't try to multitask. Don't walk on the edge. Don't be like, take things and take commitment at last minute, or don't push things at last minute. For people who are like in academics or who have like big project to be submitted in the next 15 days, or finishing of some tasks, pending tasks to be done, don't leave it on last day, last minute. And don't try to be overconfident right now. That will not help you. So next 15 days, be a little careful of this. Also, let's see what universe wants to tell you. If this video is helping you, don't forget to like and also subscribe for more such videos. Now, universe is saying, be very honest and clear. What do you want to manifest in your life right now? Now write it down on a paper and take step 1. Did you see like what universe said? Take step 1. The first step is to be taken right now, and not all the steps together. If you climb a ladder from the first level of it to the 10th level of it, do you think you're going to be able to jump so high? You have to like do 1, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, right? Is exactly what you need to do right now in your life for the next 15 days. Let's see what's the message for Virgo. What is the next 15 days mid-month message and the universe message. A very beautiful energy. A lot of you will start some new work and something new in your career. Some of you would also be ready to look for a relocation, change in your workplace as well. And you'll be like, now I know how serious I have to be. A lot of self realization has happened, and you don't want to it's like you're looking forward and not backward right now, which is a good thing. So, this forward looking attitude will make people have faith and trust in you. So, those who have been laughing at you and not taking you seriously will now take you seriously because you've taken yourself seriously. So, career wise, a betterment is coming. Stay there. Now, at the last minute, don't give up. If this video is helping you, don't forget to like. I'm going to see what is also the universe message for you. How is universe helping you? What is it all about? Look around in the nature right now. Universe, if you see nature sign, it says nature is trying to send you a lot of signs right now. Look at the small, small signs. You know, a lot of times we see sometimes butterflies, sometimes we see repetitive numbers, sometimes we see some repetitive music or an image of something. So connect the dots. Universe is trying to talk to you with some dots. Connect that dot. That dot will actually help you get further and talk to universe. Universe talks to us. So respond, ask, what are you trying to say? What is this sign? What are these numbers? And universe will show you exactly what is it next that you're supposed to do. So this message is for the next 15 days that applies to your life. Let's see what's coming with Librans. How is their life going to turn in this mid-month, the mid-month that is coming up? Let's see. And also the universe message. For the mid-month, a lot of drama. A lot of competition, which you hate. People would try to, but this competition is again, in a healthy way. You have to prove yourself. You cannot give up. You cannot leave right now. You cannot be weak. Even if you're tired, even if you're weak, don't show the world that you're weak. People exactly pick your weakness and slap you right and left, which you shouldn't allow them to do right now. You don't have to be right now or wrong right now. Just be fair. If you're fair in everything, if you're being fair to yourself, if you're being fair to your people around you, nothing can go wrong. Also, a lot of you will try proving small things in relationship, trying to fight and find answers for small problems. Don't end up doing that. A lot of times that wouldn't even matter after 5 days and 10 days. So if certain things that are not going to matter to you in long run, then don't break your head there in next 15 days. Let's see what universe has for you. If this video is helping you, don't forget to like. Now, universe is saying you need to shine from within. You're so pure, Librans at heart. Your outer appearance or your outer body is not by how you dress or what you wear on your face or makeup, but it actually shines from within. So universe is saying you shine from within. That is like your quality. That is who you are. So universe is saying it is the time for you to shine from within. If you're good from the heart, nothing can go bad on the outer side of you or your body or your outer world. Self-acceptance is the best acceptance, and reveal the people out there what's your true beauty. People are not able to see your true beauty. So show them be true to yourself. Show your true self to the people who are trying to literally compete with you and compare you right now. That's for the mid-month or the rest 15 days, the message for you. Now let's see what's for Scorpions. What is in store? What is this next 15 days looking like? What's the universe message? Scorpions, a return of a bad health. The transition is coming to good health. So if you've been not doing well physically, emotionally, there's a betterment in your health and also energy levels. You will see that you're suddenly all motivated and all charged up, and every scenario that is coming your way, you're like, I'm ready, I'm on the go, I am tough, I cannot break down. You're liking things. Be around sun also. Be as much as possible out in the sun. Though it's difficult to find right now in the rains. But yeah, try to be out in the sun whenever and howsoever possible. Because sunlight, energy, or this nature of element sun will give you a lot of power and new aura and new positivity into your life. You will also see that everything is working in your favor now in the second half. Let's see what universe wants to say. There's also travel for few of you. Or if few of you have been prolonging or trying to delay a certain trip or a vacation, please don't delay. Now it's the best time. You will have the best experiences of your life. Exactly what I just said is what universe is saying. It's a celebration. Some sort of celebration is happening. Some sort of celebration in your family, in your life, in your personal, professional, or some area of your life is happening. And that celebration is making you very happy. So, touch wood, it's a very nice 15 days. You're going to celebrate, you're going to be happy, you're going to laugh, have fun with friends or loved ones. Some of you may even romantically dance with your partner and have some nice start with your partner. So, a happy, happy period, all in all. Let's see now, how's the next 15 days? What's the message for you, Sagittarius? Where is this month going for you, the next 15 days? Headache, headache. Are you giving or are you getting? So now this 15 days, little bit to do with some headache, random headaches, random mentally feeling exhausted, drained, physically body not supporting, head not supporting your body. A lot of things to think over. Your thoughts are cluttered. You're getting a lot of flashbacks of the past also. Some tension of the past is again coming up and you're not able to solve this problem. And some nonsensical people around you are trying to trouble you. Somebody is trying to poke you. Like, look at this picture, a crow literally poking inside the ear. So it's like the problem may not be as big as it looks, but because people are so irritating and you get so irritated easily, that is affecting you. A lot of like things that are like not even important are affecting you, but this looks something to do with the past also, and something to do with currently. If you're not able to fix some things in timeline, you get very tired and easily cranky. So crankiness is taking you over. Right now the universe is trying to say just spend as much as time possible in some spiritual practice. Now that spiritual practice can be as little as literally just before sleeping listening to some chanting or some mantra, or literally like sitting and praying, folding your hands and praying, or doing some meditative activities. If you have crystals or if you don't have one, buy crystals. Amethyst or clear quartz is going to be the best crystal. Sleep with the crystals under your pillow. Light up candle, light up some diya, just take deep breath and just basically listen to something that is soothing and calming, or sit at a place where there's a lot of religious and spiritual energy that will get you out of this cluttered headset currently. So that's the next 15 days. If this has helped you, don't forget to like. Now let's see how's the energy for Capricorns. Where is this 15 days taking you? Where are you headed? What's the message? Some sort of insecurity is coming your way. You're insecure about something, somebody. There's some fear that is coming on the surface that you've been trying to run away from, and you're not very sure about what to do right now. You're very confused right now. There's also so much of new things that you want to make it happen, but you're not able to make it happen because you don't have the courage, you don't have the willpower to make it happen. And that is kind of, I don't see this to do with any external problem. This is just an internal conflict. A lot of times, you feel like you don't have knowledge, you don't have all the skills that are required. Like if you read the universe message that I pulled for you, it says wisdom. There's a lack of wisdom. A lot of times, when you read books, when you start reading articles, when you start listening to people who have achieved or reached a certain point in their life, or even experienced people in your particular problem that you're going through, their experiences can bring you out of your problem. So you need a lot of wisdom right now. You need to call upon that inner strength, inner willpower to help you get over your challenge. So right now, read more, talk to more people, speak out, and communicate as much as you can. Communicate with people, not randomly, but people who have a lot of knowledge. So that's like the 15 days energy. If this has helped you, don't forget to like or comment what is it next for your life that I can help you with. Let's see what's the message for Aquarians. Where is the 15 days leading you? What universe wants to say? Now, in this 15 days, okay, wow. There is some new relations or some betterment in the relationship for some of you, rather, a lot of you. You will see even some stability, financial or in relationship. Now, this stability looks more towards relationship, and that's looking at the bottom energy of the deck, where I see that finally you have given a closure to people that require closure in your life, and that has brought a lot of peace in you, and you're moving towards making your life more aligned. You're fixing your life right now, and that's what you're planning a lot, fixing a lot. That's what your 15 days look like. Let me also see what is the universe message for you right now. Wait for the winter. So universe is saying that winter is going to bring a lot of dreams of yours come true, a lot of manifestation of yours come true, and that's around like October, December, November. The later months, last months of this year is when a lot of big things, big wishes, big goals and desires of yours are coming true. So these seeds that you're planting right now for it to become a tree, this from the plant it will become a tree. So right now what you are actually going to put in is going to come out in the winters. So that's a good message. I hope this helped you. Now let's see for Pisces, the mid-month message, the 15 days looking like, and the universe message as well around that. A lot of happy time with the family, loved ones. Your mom, your dad, your family can include anybody and everybody you love. Even if you're like committed in relationship, new family planning is also what next 15 days is bringing. You're going to have fun with family. There's some leisure time. There's some happy moments that you're going to share. Some memories that you're going to create. And you will really like this feeling of having somebody around you who you can lean on to, who understands you, with whom you can share problems. A lot of differences are going to be solved in the next 15 days. And also some of you are going to go outside. Universe is saying that, going outside is going to bring you more peace. And going outside means going out in the nature. Wherever you are, whatever you are, just feel one and exactly what you're doing and what you're feeling. So universe is saying like, don't differentiate yourself from your parents to your friends to your loved ones. You all are one. One person's flaw may complement other, and each one of you are different in own way, but still when put together, it's a team. So feel one with the nature, feel one with people around you. And if this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also comment what do I bring next for your life. I'm also linking down below my Instagram handle, and you can also see on the screen. There I put like literally all sort of daily guidance that will help you for your life, and you'll be more connected to universe. So don't forget to subscribe and be tuned with me. Stay tuned. I'll come up with more such videos. Thank you for watching.